Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Trading Friend. This is very important video related to risk reward ratio. Okay, so here I'm teaching you what is risk and what is reward and how the reward can easily beat the risk. Okay, so those concepts I'll tell you with live examples plus live ledger. Okay, the what I have faced in my trading. Okay, I'll show you one live ledger as well, where I have entered the drawdown and recovered the drawdown just because of risk reward ratio. Okay, so coming to here, so ideally in the options buying strategy which I am doing currently, I have a risk reward ratio of 400 rupees I am risking and target I am keeping 1250. So that means it is almost 1 is to 2.5, right? Yeah, consider 2.5. So this is one of the best risk reward ratio which I am having currently. Okay, it's where reward should be always greater than risk. Okay, so I'll tell you why it is required. Okay, example, I'll also give you an example, live example of dice. Okay, online dice. Okay, I'll take you to an online portal. Okay, so I have found a free online dice. You can just see here. I'm just clicking. I don't know what it will come out of 6. It might come 1, 2, 6 also. It's all it's up to with respect to online. So what I'll do is, if I'm getting odd, that means I will be in loss. Okay, if I'm getting even number, then I will be in profit. Okay, right, clear? Okay, I'll just flip dice, roll a dice. Okay, so it's 1, it's odd, so I'm losing 1 rupees here. Okay, 1 is to 2.5 my risk reward, minus 1. Okay, I'm again flipping. Oh my god, again loss. Nice, it's coming. Nice example. It's 5, again loss. Perfect. We are entering the drawdown. Again loss. Perfect. So 3. Oh my god. So again I'll flip. One more minus 1. I'm not sure. We'll see. It's all yeah, I got 1 profit after continuous 6 losses. Okay, that is 2.5. It's a very good example actually. Again minus 1. Fine. Yeah, I got 2 here. One more 2.5. So if you add up, still I am minus 2. It's negative. 1 good profit is enough for me now. Right, perfect. I got 2.5. Right, so initially we had continuously 5 6 losses, 6 7 losses. Okay, but only few 3 profits recovered our minus 1 plus 2 plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus almost minus 7 days, just 3 profits, right? So out of 10 trading days we were in loss for 7 trading days. That means, okay, I'll tell you that also. Only 3 days we were in profit. That means 3 divided by 10. That is 0.3. That is 30%. Okay, I'll just keep 30% winning ratio. If you have proper risk reward ratio, a 30% winning ratio is also very good number, because you are ending your 10 days with a small break even or at least small profits. I'll explain you the same thing in a live. Okay, come, it's a very nice example. I got it online. It was continuously drawn on. Same thing has happened with me also in my live ledger. Okay, coming to the ledger, so I'm just picking you the month July. I don't want to explain you everything, but yeah, the July was the month which I'm taking you as an example. Okay, options buying, yeah. So see here, in the July month I was in profit of 7,000, but brokerages, if you remove 45,000, I am still having 30,000 profit. I will explain you this entire July. If you see with your naked eyes, how it is visible, are you seeing more green or more red? Yes, definitely red. Okay, I can count here. There are 21 trading days. Okay, so I'll explain you here. Okay, right. There are total trading days are 21, out of which I am in green of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 7 days I am in green. Winning days are 7. So 21 days, only 7 days I am winning, and my losing days are 14, right? Very bad success ratio, right? So 7 divided by 21 percentage, if I do, my winning ratio is just 33%, but still I am ending in green because my risk reward ratio is 1 is to 2.5, right? So this is helping me out. 1 is to 2.5. This is my risk reward ratio. This is helping me to recover the losses. As you all know that trading is just the game of probability. So here we had 7 continuous losses, but simple 3 profits recovered all my losses. I was at break even or with small profit, right? So this is the importance. Okay, I showed you live also. I can show you from June, from where I started. From June 2nd I started this strategy. Okay, June, you can see there are some more greens, then definitely I will be in good profit. I will just show you June, sorry, July, right? June performance also. See, June performance, it is almost 96,000, because you are seeing more green here, so definitely we are in positive. Even though when you are seeing more red, we are closing in green, right? So this is where I wanted to explain you how we can have a better risk reward ratio and easily overcome the drawdowns, right? So this is the risk reward ratio method which I adopt in my strategies. Okay, so be flexible, like try to understand this concept. If you are not following these things, you can also contact me anytime. My number is here, 9916931315. I will help you out to how to manage your risk, how to overcome the drawdowns. There are a lot of videos in my this options Equator Options Buying series. You watch all the videos, definitely there is one or the other lessons which I have learned in my past experience. I am teaching you here. That's it. So yes, that's it from my side. Yeah, you can contact me on this mobile number, so I'll help you out to manage your risk, manage your strategy, and how to adapt the strategy to your portfolio. Do subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more and more videos. Thank you.